Hi, welcome to Home Road channel. Please subscribe to Home Road channel to get more videos on office administration and management. I am Mel Garcia, and today I will be sharing with you the overview of the business office systems and technologies. The business office systems and technologies is a core competency among administrative professionals. This course integrates computer applications and business communication skills with a strong foundation of business courses. You can develop strong writing skills and ability to organize and manage office work and advanced interpersonal and business relation skills. This course is designed to prepare you to become highly qualified office professionals needed in today's high-tech office environment. This can help you to explore your academic and career interests and determine whether the course will support your long-term goals. Because of the new normal setup in the field of education, there are limitations in delivering knowledge. But with your willingness to learn, you may acquire this competency through this online lecture series. I can also help you whenever you need assistance in answering exercises in future lessons. With these new learning modalities, it's time to accept these changes, as change is constant and inevitable. Your generation is known to be tech savvy, confident, creative, and well adjusted individuals with entrepreneurial mindsets because this course needs these abilities to become an effective and efficient administrative professional. The lecture online is a tool in fulfilling your potentials. So these are the topics to be covered by this lecture series. The changing workplace, office technology, office communications, records management, and career advancement. This course needs a continued development of typing speed, accuracy, and proofreading skills, communication skills, work ethics, problem solving skills, and decision making skills. At the end of the course, you are expected to use appropriate business knowledge to facilitate a variety of office processes, demonstrate proficient interpersonal skills and comprehension of appropriate organization behavior, demonstrate proficiency in using computer application software, comprehend the rapid change taking place in the business environment with the ability to engage in professional development. Recognize the various cultures in the business world. Communicate effectively using written, oral, and nonverbal techniques, including the use of technology and information. Let me ask you of the following questions and assess yourself if you are one of these. Do you like learning about new technology? Do you enjoy collaborating and working in a group setting? Can you manage deadlines and work under pressure? Can you notice details or errors in documents? Are you willing to work with a diverse group of people? Are you open to comments and suggestions? If you answered most of the questions yes, then this course is right for you. Are you ready to start your journey? Enjoy learning business office systems and technologies with this online lecture series. Click subscribe to get the latest lecture series on business office systems and technologies. I am Mel Garcia, and this is the Home Road Channel.